If you are angry and you are writing a letter to the newspaper or sending an email to your local MP and you want to emphasise how angry you are, you might put the word angry in bold. I am angry. Or you might underline it. Or you might put it in capitals. I am very angry. And if you are really, really, really angry, you might put it in capitals and bold and italics and underline it. Angry! And this is the way for you to put an emphasis on the word angry. And if you are just speaking to someone, you can emphasize the word just by like how you say it. So, for example, someone says, "That's a funny looking cat." And you go, "It's not a cat, it's a dog." They go, no, it's a cat." And you go, "It's a dog." Emphasis on the dog. And in Te Reo Māori, we can emphasize the noun with the word ko. Ko kuri tera, it's a dog. The ko puts an emphasis on the noun that follows it. It's like making it bold and underlining it. So, if I said ko hone te kaumātua, I'm emphasizing hone. Hone is the elder. Someone goes, "Oh, I thought Rangi was the elder." No, ko hone te kaumātua. Hone is the elder. Why don't you listen to me? But in fact, we can say ko kaumātua a hone, but it means something slightly different. It now puts the emphasis on the word kaumātua. It's this word, rather than the name, that is in bold and underlined. And it means hone is the kaumātua. Kaumātua a hone. So maybe someone goes, "Oh, I thought he was like a teenager." You go, "No, ko kaumātua a hone. Hone's an elder." So, whatever follows the ko is the thing that takes the emphasis. And someone doing their mihi might say something like, "Ko Tararua te maunga," and the mountain is Tararua. But it is possible to say ko maunga a Tararua, but again the meaning is slightly different. Yeah? So imagine that someone goes, "Oh, I think that the Tararua River is beautiful and I like to go for a swim there." You might go, "It's not a river, ko maunga a Tararua. Tararua's a mountain." Like, what's wrong with you?